Mr. Edgardo Desamero and Mrs. Marilyn Aquino Desamero. Gonzales Rainiel Rana, son of Mr. Jerry Gonzales and Mrs. Nori Rana. Jacobe Glensver Montes, son of Mr. Armando Jacobe and Mrs. Menchi Montes Jacobe. Perlas Jason Dimagula, son of Mr. Precious Perlas and Mrs. Lucy Dimagula Perlas. Tuazon Jorby Cruz, son of Mr. Jose Tuazon and Mrs. Florencia Cruz Tuazon. Yamoso Luela Marie Capriole, daughter of Mrs. Arlinda Yamoso. Urbino Joname Galero, daughter of Mr. Ferdinand Urbino and Mrs. Josephine Galero Urbino. Vargas Daphne Merano, daughter of Mr. Leonardo Vargas and Mrs. Jessica Merano Vargas. Sakop Maria Romero Romulo, third achiever, daughter of Mr. Cesar Sakop and Mrs. Janet Romulo Sakop. Pagalanan Maria Alvira Garcia, second achiever, daughter of Mr. Ildefonso Pagalanan and Mrs. Prudencia Garcia Pagalanan. Sakop Maria Roca Romulo, first achiever, daughter of Mr. Celso Sakop and Mrs. Janet Romulo Sakop. Villanueva Charen Lardizaba, 8 honors, daughter of Mr. Carlito Villanueva and Mrs. Justina Lardizabal Villanueva. Romeo Jesame Rubi, 7 honors, daughter of Mr. Sevanto Romeo and Mrs. Isidra Rubi Romeo. Morales Luis de los Santos, 6 honors, daughter of Mr. Rafi Morales and Mrs. Maya de los Santos Morales. Rana Jan Allen Aquino, 5th honors, son Daughter of Mr. Alberto Tabirao and Mrs. Clarissa Salonga Tabirao. Baksapra Lenny James Bioloso, salutatorian. Son of Mr. Fernando Baksapra and Mrs. Virginia Lamoso Baksapra. The Lopez John Dennis Tando.
Now, ladies and gentlemen,
Piting sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong mukha. May dilagang tula at tao sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y hearts and spirits high, in a vision of setting sails aside. Our hearts glowing in beaming light of light, the hopes of the future bright. All together we will stand, like a firm foundation for the land. That tomorrow we know we got to see our world in prosperity. Sing wings and the dawn is on, the Father, Spirit, and the Son. By the vision that unites us we are one, that for love of God must never be gone. We pour our hearts to you. It's a task that is great and noble too.
Nag-aaral po ng pagmamakabilya. Habang nag-aaral ay tumatanggap ng mga bordahe.
A total of 23 who were candidates for graduation.
High school girls with a total of 23 enrolled for graduation this school year 2007-2008.
by the power vested in me by the Department of Education.
Do not distress yourself with dark imaginings. Peace and the stars. You have a right to be here. And whether or not it's clear to you, know that the universe is unfolding as it should.
Second achiever, Maria G. Pagalanan. Manila